Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, welcome. Today I'll be cooking chicken with chicken foot together. First, I will cut up my chicken and prepare it, clean it up, prepare it. Now, I will pour some vinegar in my water and wash it properly. After which, I will take my chicken from the water and drain it and put it into a dry container where I'll prepare it and start seasoning. First, I'll go in with my black pepper, next, my all purpose season. Then, I'll add my mixed spice. While I'm adding my mixed spice, I will move my chicken, stir them so all of them can get some season so it can marinate properly. I will continue to add some more all purpose. Next, I will add my cayenne pepper. If you know me, guys, you know that I love to cook with cayenne pepper. I like a little spice. Next, I will use my fork and to stir or mix in all my spices. Just mix them in so that the chicken can be covered in season and marinate properly. Next, I will cover my container with a and allow it to marinate for at least an hour. After an hour, my chicken is marinated, and guys, I did the same thing for my chicken foot. So I'll place my pot on the stove with some oil, allow the oil to heat, then I will add my chicken first and allow them to brown. You are gonna It's actually gonna look like we're frying it, but we're not deep frying it, so I'll use less oil and brown them. Make sure to brown on one side and then brown on the other side. Here we have it. Most of our chicken is browned already. Now I will go in with the chicken foot, allow the chicken foot to brown just the same as the chicken. Now, everyone, the chicken foot is much more difficult when it comes to browning it. Since when you're browning it, it tends to pop and the oil will pop and burn you. So what you have to do after you put it in the pot, you make sure you cover it and allow it to brown. When you're opening the pot, you tip a little water, not much, just a little, to disallow it from popping up to avoid any oil burn. So here you have it. My chicken foot is turning brown. I have two little pieces of chicken in there also. I will remove them, but allow your chicken foot to be browned on both sides. Here you have it, everyone. My chicken foot is being browned pretty good so far. I have two little pieces of chicken in the pot. I will remove them. After allowing my chicken foot, all my chicken foot to brown on both sides, I will put some water or add some water to the chicken foot, to the pot that the chicken foot is in, so that it can stop browning. And now we're going to cook it down. After which I will cover my pot and allow to cook down for a few minutes. While my chicken foot is cooking down for a few minutes, I will use another saucepan or frying pan, pour my chopped seasoning in there along with the oil and saute it and add my chicken that I have browned. I am also going to add some more seasoning to my chicken along with some water. While my chicken is being cooked down, I will transfer my chicken foot to the pressure pot and allow it to pressure in the interest of time. Here I will add a cup of water, after which I will add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. After adding my soy sauce, I will add some all-purpose seasoning, and I will also add some mixed spice. After adding my powder seasoning, I will stir the pot. Yes, stir the pot. After which my pressure pot has been cooled off, so I will pour my chicken foot into the pot with the chicken and allow them to cook together. Always remember to allow your pressure pot to be cooled off properly. We don't want any accident, we don't want anybody getting burned. So allow your pressure pot to be cooled down properly before opening it. There I have it. My chicken is cooking pretty well on medium heat. Now I'm going to go in with my chicken foot. Pour everything from my pressure pot into the pot with my chicken. Here I will add a small amount of browning. I really don't like to cook with browning, but here after putting my chicken foot into the pressure pot, the color has been changed somewhat. So I'll tip a little browning in to my pot and stir in all my ingredients and allow to cook. After my chicken foot and my chicken has been cooking down for about 10 minutes, it is actually completed now. So I will be serving my brown stew chicken foot and brown stew chicken with some rice and peas. And yes, guys, it tastes delicious. It is very tasty with a little spicy. However, with my rice and peas, what we call peas, some people call it beans. It's actually kidney beans that I have used, but where I am from, we actually say red peas, even though we know it is beans. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please remember to like the video and share.